The fully automatic perfume filling and crimping production line engineered for high-speed, high-precision bottling of fragrances. Featuring a multi-head pneumatic filling system, servo-driven bottle positioning, and integrated pump head pressing and crimping stations, it enables seamless liquid dosing and cap sealing with minimal manual intervention. Designed for glass perfume bottles and cosmetic containers, the system supports up to 20 bottles per minute with plus or minus 1 mm liquid level accuracy, ensuring consistent quality and elegant presentation across all packaging stages.